Hello, good morning, children. Welcome to your English class. Today we are going to discuss about the homework solutions. Write 5 lines about your grandparents. Number 1. My grandparents are loving and caring. Number 2. My grandparents often play with me. Number 3. They tell me nice stories. Number 4. They always buy me presents. Number 5. I love my grandparents. I have finished second chapter. Next we are going to learn about third chapter, Colourful Nature. Let's going to read the chapter. One day, Farmer Sam gives us 3 children 3 shiny grey cans. He takes the children to the garden. One day, Farmer F-A-R-M-E-R, Farmer Sam, Farmer F-A-R-M-E-R, Farmer. What does farmer do? A person who owns or manages a farm and garden. The farmer name is Sam. The farmer Sam gives us 3 children. Have 3 children. Names of the 3 children are Tia, Tim and Tom. Gives us 3 children, 3 shiny great cans. He takes the children to the garden. You must water your plants to help the rain fairy when she is tired. Water is very important to the plants grow. So, the farmer Sam told the children, you must water your plants to help the rain fairy when she is tired. Father then pulls out some weeds. Pull out the weeds from time to time. But father, they are also plants? Tia asked. Father then pulls out some weeds. Pull out the weeds from time to time. But father, they are also plants? Tia asked. Yes, Tia, you are right, but they are bird weeds. They steal the food Mother Earth keeps for plants. W-E-E-D-S, weeds. Weeds means a wild plant that is not wanted in a garden because it prevents other plants from growing properly. So the farmer said, but they are birdweed. They steal the food Mother Earth keeps for plants. The children help the father to pluck all the weeds from the garden. The father digs the soil around the plants softly. What are you doing, father? Tim asked. The children help the father to pluck all the weeds from the garden. The father digs the soil around the plants softly. Digs means to move earth and make hole into the garden. Digs the soil around the plants softly. What are you doing, father? Tim asked. We must keep the soil loose around the roots. This helps water to sink deep down into the soil. The plants will get this water throughout the roots, father explains. Wow, it will be great fun, Tom jumps and says. The children take great care of the garden. Soon the little green stalks grow tall and strong. Wow, it will be great fun, Tom jumps and says. The children take great care of the garden. Soon the little green stalks grow tall and strong. Green stalks. Stalks means one of the long thin parts of the plant which the flower, leaves or fruits grow on. The little Green stalks grow tall and strong. Tiny buds appear and one by one they turn into beautiful flowers. They have all the colors of the rainbow. The vegetables too hang on the stems with pride. I repeat again. Tiny buds appear and one by one they turn into beautiful flowers. They have all the colors of the rainbow. The vegetables too hang on the stems with pride. Today our homework, read this lesson up to here. Tomorrow we will continue this lesson. Thank you. Have a nice day.